Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Wow, the sun just came out right when I started recording. We are just sitting out and enjoying the morning right now. It was actually 59 degrees this morning when I got up at like 6. So it's definitely starting to feel like fall mornings, but I'll tell you, I am still in summer mode over here, okay? I am a fall girl, but I do not like what comes after it. So I am still in summer mode. We're gonna pick some fresh flowers out of the garden today. The flowers are still blooming beautifully, so we're gonna get some flowers picked. I did make a batch of chocolate chip cookies this morning, and I think I finally found the perfect recipe. So good. So I will show you all what those look like. We've got to get a few things cleaned up, kitchen, do a little bit of laundry. We did a major house reset the other day, so I'm just keeping up with everything really good and just tidying everything, making sure everything is all squared away. So I have finally found the perfect chocolate chip cookie recipe. I have been searching for months, okay, for a good chocolate chip cookie, and I just could not find the right one. And I finally found the one. So I will share the recipe that I followed in the description below. They are super soft, a little crisp on the edges. So good. I'm telling you, they are so good. The kids were begging for more. This batch made 9 jumbo cookies. Now, in the future, I may try to like half those cookies and do smaller sizes because I was breaking the cookies in half. They were just way too big to give the kids. We were halving them, but they were so good. So I had to go to Home Goods yesterday and get a set of curtains for our bedroom, and my daughter has been wanting to get a rug for her bedroom, and we did stumble upon this. This is the Morris & Co. 5x8 rug in a bag, machine washable. It's super soft. It's got the non-slip backing. And this just kind of, I mean, it matched her bedspread and everything. And like, she's kind of got a floral theme going on in her bedroom. So we're going to go ahead and get this set up for her. I paid $79.99 for it. Okay, so I actually ended up taking it out from underneath the bed. I didn't like it under there. And honestly, I don't even think that this rug is big enough for this room. It fits much better in the dormer over here. I definitely have to figure out how to get these wrinkles out of here because that is gonna drive me insane. I'll just let it set and see if they kind of come out. If you have any tips, let me know. Other than that, it is super cute. It does go very well with the bedspread. And if I ever want to change up any colors on the bedspread, I have multiple colors I can work with. It brings me so much joy to go out to my garden and be able to pick fresh flowers anytime I want. So with the season coming to the end, it is really going to sadden me, but I am soaking in every single moment I can, picking these gorgeous flowers. It's so peaceful and relaxing for me. I enjoy it so much. We are heading out to the garden this morning to harvest some oregano. I am going to dehydrate it and probably freeze them in little ice cube trays and some olive oil. All kinds of oregano over here, and then through here that I need to harvest. The automatic coop door just opened, so here comes the flock. So I actually just ended up pulling up one of the whole plants because I needed to make room for my fall garden. So I'm going to bring out my Pampered Chef air fryer that I got a couple years back. This has multiple settings on it. You can bake, you can air fry, you can roast a whole chicken in it, you can dehydrate in it. We're going to put the oregano in this dehydrator. I'm going to do probably like 2 hours at 130 degrees. First, we're going to get the oregano rinsed off really good. And yes, I did just use a gallon jug to fill this water up. I do not like to use our water for cooking or cleaning any of my fruits or vegetables or drinking. It is not good water at all. So anyways, I do spend a lot of money on gallon water to make sure that my fruits and vegetables are getting cleaned with sanitary water, I should say. But anyways, we are laying all of these out on, I've got 3 different trays here. We're laying them all out. At first I started pulling the individual leaves off the stems and I was like, okay, why am I doing this like this? And then I came back and did it with just the stems, and then when it fully dehydrates, I'll pull it back out and just kind of push all those off the stem. So we're going to start with 2 hours at 130 degrees, and then I'll come back and check this and see if we need to do any more. So I would also like to have some fresh oregano available. So what we're going to do is chop this up, and then I'm going to add it into these ice cube trays, and then I will fill these ice cube trays up with some olive oil, and then I will pop these in the freezer, and then anytime I need fresh oregano, I can just take one of these little ice cubes, melt it down, and I've got fresh. So I'll tell you, one of my favorite summertime lunches is a tomato sandwich, fresh out the backyard, with a little mayonnaise, and then I like to add the blend on top by Kinder's. So the dehydrator just stopped. We will check this out and see. Oh, it's dried. Pretty good. It smells so good. Perfect. Okay, it is time to switch the laundry over. Remember, a load a day keeps the laundry away. Not really, though. It really doesn't. But if you have a load of laundry that you need to get done, get up if you're watching this and go get it switched over, okay? Don't let it sit in the washing machine and get soiled, because I'm telling you, do you know how many times I have to restart the washing machine because I get so caught up in my day that I'm like, oh no. And then it's like the next day and I forget about it. But I still do at least a load a day. So I'm ending today's video with less than 24 hours ago, I told Colby that I found a few goats that someone we know is selling, and he's outside putting a fence up. So this week we may be going to get some little goats. Hey, what are you doing?
Running a bull water advisory. I'm putting this fence in.
For what?
Goats.